If you are doing affiliate marketing, you already know that not all commissions are the same. Some programs pay a few dollars per sale, while others can pay hundreds or even thousands from just one referral. This is what we call high ticket affiliate programs. Instead of promoting low pricing product, you promote the premium tools, software or services that give you bigger commissions per sale. In this video, I will explain what high ticket affiliate programs are, why they are powerful, and I will share some of the best options you can consider. High ticket affiliate programs usually focus on software, business tools, online education, or premium services. These products cost more, so the commission is also higher. The good thing is that you don't need hundreds of sales. Even a few conversions per month can generate a strong income if the commission per sale is high. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover a smart way to earn online. If you are interested in joining high ticket affiliate programs, you can check the link from description to explore some of the platform I mentioned in this video. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description, because by using the link, any available bonus or the special offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. One of the most popular high ticket affiliate categories is website and funnel building software. Platforms like ClickFunnels offer strong commissions because their subscription plans are premium. When someone signs up through your link and continues paying, then you earn the recurring income. This is powerful because it creates long-term passive income. Another strong option is SEO and marketing software. For example, SEMrush offers attractive affiliate commissions for promoting their SEO tools. Many businesses need keyword research, competitor analysis, and website audits, so this type of product has real demand. When you promote the tools that businesses truly need, conversions become easier. Email marketing platforms are also excellent for the high ticket commissions. GetResponse is one of the example where you can earn recurring commissions for each of the customer you refer. Since email marketing is essential for online businesses, this niche has the long-term potential. Now, if you are targeting creators and course builders, platform like Kajabi can be very profitable. Kajabi is known for being a premium all-in-one course and membership platform, and because it is higher priced, the affiliate commission is also higher. Even a small number of the sales can generate significant income. Now let's talk about the strategy. High ticket affiliate marketing is not about posting random links anywhere. Because the products are more expensive, people need trust before buying. That means you should create valuable content like tutorial, honest reviews, comparison videos, or case studies. Show how the tool works and explain who it is for. When you build trust, your audience is more likely to invest in premium products. Also, focus on a specific audience. For example, instead of targeting everyone, you can focus on the bloggers, digital agencies, course creators, or small businesses. When your content speaks directly to one group, your recommendation feel more personal and relevant. Another important thing is recurring commissions. Many high-ticket programs offer monthly recurring income. This means as long as the customer stays subscribed, you continue the earning. This creates more stable and predictable income over time. However, remember that high-ticket affiliate programs also require patience. Since products are more expensive, buyers may take longer to decide. So consistency and long-term content creation are very important. So in conclusion, high ticket client program can also help you to earn more from fewer sales. Software platforms, marketing tools, course builders, and premium hosting services are some of the best categories to explore. Focus on building trust, targeting the right audience, and promoting tools that truly solve problems. I hope this video helped you to understand the high ticket affiliate program in a simple way. If this was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe Easy Access Tech, and also check the link from description for the special affiliate links and platforms I mentioned in the video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.